Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is cross-domain tracking. So let's see what is it. Cross-domain tracking measurement is a Google Analytics feature that allows you to see sessions from two related sites, okay, such as an e-commerce site and a separate shopping cart site as a single session rather than two separate sessions. See, what it means is suppose you are shopping something at Amazon. You have selected, say, a t-shirt or a shirt, and then you move to the payment portal that is, say, linked with Paytm. So these are completely two other domains. Like one is Amazon and other is Paytm. So what our Google Analytics does is it will count it as two separate sessions, and it will count you as two unique users, two different users. Okay, but it is not correct. You are a single user which accessing different domains at the same time. So it is a problem which we face here, and this is called cross domain tracking. So what is this is sometimes called site linking, and it allows you to more efficiently measure the entire customer journey. So what we should do is we should make some solution so that these two separate, say, sessions or separate users should be counted as a single session or a single user. Okay, so let me give you an example. Like, okay, yeah, this may be not an exact example I should be giving, but let's work with it. Okay, so this is one of my blog, and here we get the client ID, as this is a very long thing, so you can remember the last 3 4 digits, like say 8361. Okay, so I have one blog posted here, which I have linked my another website here. So as soon as I click it, my client ID goes from it basically changes. It is now 3114. Okay, so by the way, I have enabled a plugin which is Google Analytics debug, so it shows me some additional features here. Okay, so you can see that it is not an appropriate example, I'm saying it again, but this is how things change when you shift from one side to another side. So what you can do, like, what is the solution for it? So the solution is very simple. You must be aware of it. Like, Google Analytics, it generates a unique client ID. Okay, the one we accessed here should be unique, and to generate whether a user is a new user or a single user, the client ID is something meant to be invented. So you can check if the user is a new user to your site, or he or she is a returning user, means that they oftenly visit your sites. Okay, so cross domain tracking works by sharing client ID. Like, I have shown you two different websites. One was my blog and one was my website. So you can share the same client ID with both the sites. Okay, between source domain and destination domain, from where you are coming from and from where you are going. So client ID can be stored in places like, say, web browser cookies. Okay, so it can be accessed by page on the same domain. Okay, so this is one of the solution which we can do. So for this, we should initially go to our analytics. Like, this is our analytics. Okay, go to admin panel, say, go to tracking info, and here is referral exclusion list. Go to here. So here what you can do is you can, say, link your domains, or you can add your domains here in order to receive data. So say if the one is my blog, and I can use a create here, and other one is my site, I am already having it my site here, so it will work. Okay, this is the only work for analytics here. Mostly work is on the Google Tag Manager. So as soon as we go to our Google Tag Manager, we need to visit our variables, and then we need to create a new variable. Okay, new variable, and this time the variable will be, yes, the Google Analytics setting. Someone call it gas variable. Okay, this variable enables you to configure Google Analytics setting for the use across multiple Google Analytics tags. Okay. So sorry, yeah. You click on this, you can add your tracking ID here, and okay. So this is the place we need to access cross domain tracking, and then you need to add your multiple domains here. Like I will access my say website. You need to write it down here. Don't write www. It won't be necessary. Website and my blog. Say okay. You need to copy it from here like this. Say this blogspot.com. Okay, it will work. So we'll write it here, and then I need to access fields to set, add fields, and you need to allow linker and make it true. Okay, this will, what it will do is it will allow you to overwrite client IDs. Okay, you are assigning it the value to overwrite. So by saving this, this will show you the result. And some people will ask that how it will be done. So what it is like these things you see after your say domain, these things, so you will get something here like this. Okay, this is your domain, and you will get here G1, and this can be anything. Okay, number or numerals or that, or words or etc. So this is basically this the bold portion. This is called a linker, which we enabled, and this is being basically our Google Analytics passing through the ID, the client ID, the shopping ID, or whatever the ID is. Okay. So in this way, you can pass data from one side to another, and it will allow you to have the same client ID throughout your sessions. It will be counted as a single session, not multiple sessions, and it will give you a better, say, report generation. Okay, this is it for this video, and thank you.